Dog grooming is key to keeping dogs healthy, clean, and comfortable. The Basic Dog Grooming Course from Care Skills Training is ideal for beginners, teaching essential skills such as ear cleaning and nail trimming. It's perfect for pet owners and anyone working with dogs. This course is ideal for dog owners who want to care for their pets at home. It's also useful for pet sitters, dog walkers, or anyone working in kennels or animal care. If you love dogs and want to learn how to keep them clean and comfortable, this course is for you. The course covers a wide range of valuable topics. You'll learn about dog grooming tools and how to handle dogs safely. Additionally, we will teach you how to recognize signs of dog health issues and how to groom various types of dog coats. Why choose Care Skills Training? Our online courses are easy to follow and can be done at your own pace. You'll receive instant access to lessons and helpful videos. The course is CPD-accredited, which means it's recognized and trusted. Enroll now and start your dog grooming journey. To learn more, please read the description below and visit our website.